Tai Chi circular power. Shift 70% of your weight to the front left leg, bending the knees slightly without passing the toes. The right leg naturally extends behind, creating a sturdy, empty, above, solid, below stance. Keep the spine perfectly upright, relax the hips, forward, and sink the shoulders, chonji in, to stabilize your central axis. Ward off arm left. Raise the left forearm to chest level, shaping it into a resilient arch bow shape. The palm faces the chest, but maintains a gap to let ki circulate freely. Pressing hand right. Lower the right hand to hip level, palm facing the earth or angled slightly outward, creating a counterbalance and guarding the lower body. Imagine the arm as an expanding spring or a fully inflated sphere. The power originates from the waist and transmits through the shoulder to the elbow.